During a walk along the way, I happened upon a colony of ants carrying on a flurry of activities. One such activity involved a few ants carrying a worm across the terrain. During their journey, this small group of ants came across several obstacles in which they were very easily able to navigate through. Somewhere along the way, they came across a snag, or a hook, if you will. And now begins the process of unhooking the worm, a task which will require the natural ingenuity of ants. Success. I was so fascinated by the activity of these ants. I couldn't take my eyes off them. There are so many wonderful creatures that inhabit the space we walk through every day. During your walks along the way, notice nature, naturally naked nature. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.